Hey guys, so I created a really cute look for you. It's like a dreamy, angelic eyeshadow look. It's got some purple and some sparkly champagne shades, and I really love it. I hope you guys love this look too, and if you enjoy it, maybe you could try it out. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. If you'd like to try out this tutorial and learn how to do it, just keep on watching. Mwah. Okay, so for this tutorial, I already put on my foundation and concealer, so that's out of the way. And I'm just gonna skip to bronzing my face, and I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Matte Brown Bronzer. And I don't know if I've talked about this on my channel, but this is one of my favorite bronzers because it smells like hot chocolate, and that's amazing. So then I'm taking my Tarte Mermaid bronzing brush, and I'm going to dip it in there and put it on my cheekbones. I like bronzer a little bit more than contour because it really gives you a nice glow and warmth to your skin, while also creating dimension. So if you're in a rush and you don't feel like doing a highlight and a contour all over your face, bronzing it does the job quickly. I also put it on my cheeks like blush, especially in the summer, because it just makes you look like you are laying out in the sun and it's a natural tan. For my cheeks, I'm doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to be using my Naked Illuminated highlight, but my highlight is actually a pink tone, so I'm going to be using it as a blush. Since this is like a dreamy, like angelic makeup look, I wanted to do a lot of glow, shimmer, so that's why I'm going to be a little bit extra today with my blush. Oh man. Oh, it's so embarrassing. Look, I'm laughing at myself, so I don't even have to fake smile for my blush. So, a little makeup hack for you. For my highlights, I'm using my Cover FX face palette, and in this palette there's a brightener and a finishing powder, and I'm going to mix both of them together on this pretty loose highlight brush. And since it's loose, it's not really a dense brush. A makeup hack I have for this is to spray setting spray on here so that the highlight sticks and it really pops so much more. It's like a pretty shine on your cheekbones. For eyeshadow, I'm actually taking my Naked Illuminated highlight again, and I'm going to really swirl my brush in there and put this all over my eyelid. So for this look, I want to do some smudged eyeliner just because it's really sexy and laid back looking. So I'm sorry, I didn't really explain what I just did. I'm taking my Sephora eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this matte black shade on my e.l.f. eyeliner brush. It's like an angled eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to line my upper lash line, and while you're doing this, don't be too much of a perfectionist because we're going to smudge it, so just kind of get it in the spot you want it to be, kind of like this. I'm taking a flat shader brush like this. I'm just going to pick up a little bit more black eyeshadow, just a little bit, and then smudging the shadow. Not too far onto your lid, just a little bit goes a long way. And just keep blending. That's the key. Just keep blending. Beverly Hills eyeshadow brush, and I'm taking this flat, kind of fluffy side. One of my favorite eyeshadows ever. This is the MAC Stars and Rockets, and I think it fits perfect for the look I'm going for today. It's like a reflective purple shade. It's really shimmery and gorgeous. And I'm going to take that on the tip of my brush and just put this over top of the liner we just applied. Same eyeshadow, just instead of putting it on the tip of the eyeshadow brush, put it on as if you're applying eyeshadow, like on the face, see? And then make like a cat eye on your eyelid like this, and then just blend it in. For the inner half of my eyelid, I'm taking my Norvina palette, and I'm taking the shade Dreamer. It's like a shimmery champagne shade, and I'm putting it on a flat shader brush. This is by Naked 3, and I'm just going to apply this on the inner half of my lid, connecting it with the purple we just applied. This really opens your eyes a lot, and I love the mixture of the purple with the shimmery champagne. It's really like, oh, you know what I just noticed? This eyeshadow is called Dreamer, and like this look is like a dreamy angel. I love when that happens. For my lower lash line, I'm taking the same palette I just used before, and I'm using the shade Celestial. This is like, it's kind of like the same idea as Stars and Rockets, except it's a shade darker, which is cool because we can use it as like a purple liner. So I'm taking it on a very, very thin brush and just smudging that on my lower lashes. Taking my Naked 3 palette, and I'm going to take, I'm going to take the shade No Winner on a fluffy crease brush and just apply this on my crease in windshield wiping motions. To highlight in my inner corners, I'm taking the Brow Gal pencil, and it actually is two-sided. It has like a cream side for like cleaning up your brows and a gold eyeliner, which I'm going to be applying to my inner corners. Highlight your inner corners with something that's like a cream instead of like a shadow. It lasts longer, but sometimes when I apply like a shimmery shadow to my inner corners, which I still do it, but sometimes I feel like I get it in my eye and it hurts. So this is really helpful because you have more control over where you place it, and it gets the job done. For eyelashes, oopsie, I'm gonna be using these Brazier eyelashes. I've been using them a lot lately. I really love them. They're more on the dramatic side, but I love dramatic lashes, so it's cool with me. I just applied my lashes, and every time you apply false eyelashes, I highly recommend that you apply mascara to your bottom eyelashes. Sometimes if I'm just wearing mascara for the day, I don't put them on my lower lashes because it can make your lashes look shorter. I know that sounds silly, but it's just like, I don't know, it's just the way it works. But since my eyelashes on the top are extremely long, you have to kind of balance it out. So I'm going to apply some mascara to my bottom lashes, and I'm going to use my Superhero Mascara by It Cosmetics. So since the eyeshadow is kind of colorful, I wanted to balance everything with a more low-key lip gloss. My Victoria's Secret Champagne Wishes lip gloss. This is the finished makeup look. I had so much fun creating this for you guys. I hope you try it out. I like to keep my looks very versatile, so you can always make things more dramatic or less dramatic depending on your event that day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and as usual, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.